Here we go. Hi there, my name is Josh. I'm from Scotland. I came to Hair of Istanbul through a recommendation. I was pleasantly surprised with the overall experience, the attention to detail. From the moment I stepped off the flight, I was greeted by one of their employees. They took me straight to the hotel. They gave me a number of information from start to finish. Any questions left unsaid wasn't really an issue. Just the generosity, how approachable they are, it's just been phenomenal. It's a really good service, shall I say, and it has far exceeded my expectation. If somebody was considering doing this, I would have to recommend Hair of Istanbul. Their service was flawless. The people here are really lovely. Like I said, they're really approachable. If you've got any questions, any concerns, they've kind of pumped me full of confidence. From start to finish, the whole process has been like a well-oiled machine. Like the attention to detail and the time frame, everything's scheduled. There's someone looking after you from start to finish. So from the moment you step off that flight, you have someone there waiting to greet you. You're then in your taxi, you're taken to your hotel, they check you in, everything's looked after well beforehand. So as soon as you arrive, you're given your hotel key, you check in, and they give you all the information you need for the next day. So they'll tell you what time you're going to be picked up from your driver. The driver takes you to the hospital or the clinic, and that's where they carry out the procedure. Again, there's not really any waiting about, and you always have someone waiting on your hand and foot, which is fantastic. So if you do have any questions, there's someone always there and ready to answer. But I had no issues with the procedure. The procedure went seamlessly, flawlessly. I got my lunch after my procedure. After my lunch, I was taken back to the hotel, again greeted by one of my carers. They looked after me from the moment I got back into the hotel, made sure I didn't need anything, or if I wanted anything, they were there to help. And then for the next day, I was given my time, came back for my checkup, and again, the whole process has been flawless. Like I said, it's a well-oiled machine. This company and the people here, they know what they're doing, and they're very confident in what they're doing. And if you have any concerns, then you're in the right hands. They're in the very capable hands of Hair of Istanbul. It's been fantastic, and I highly recommend it. Four numbers. So during the procedure, you're given local anaesthetic. So I didn't feel anything. Everything was kind of numbed. The procedure itself, there's not necessarily any pain, and you're pretty much asleep or dazed through the whole thing, or at least I wanted to be. So they kind of helped me with that. So it made the whole experience a little bit more enjoyable and less painful. I didn't really experience any pain at all. I will be honest, you might experience some discomfort. I wouldn't say it's pain, but it's discomfort the night of your procedure. So once the local anaesthetic wears off, you might start to feel uncomfortable, but it's only for that night. Because I woke up the next day and everything's manageable. The pain has dulled quite significantly. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with that experience. And the great thing is it's only going to get better from here on in. So to know that you might just have one night's restless sleep is well worth it.